check out my chocolate milk. Haha, You'll never take it away from me! No. Lucky Charms. These are magically delicious. Check it out! A bucket of KFC! Ha! I'm gonna eat it. Little Caesars pretzel crust. Ha ha! It is so good and you don't have it. Oh man, it's pretty late. What? Well, ooh. You're such a loser, bro. You left your KFC on your porch. Look at all this nice fried chicken. This must be, I don't know, some part of a chicken? Thank you so much, you idiot. Ha ha, now. New edition coming to the channel. Coming tomorrow. Thank me later. I just muted that. I know it was very annoying, but I got rid of it.
And we just got some stuff.
Stuff? Why, that's my favorite.
Messy Prime.
Messy Prime? It's a moss plus.
Actually.
90%.
Yummy.
Give me some of that lickage. Hey, you're going, Maya.
We have a nice KFC bucket.
Smells like KFC. Yeah.
It's finger licking good.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang yang dipanggil sahur.
We got some ramen right now.
Try it first. See if it's in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Seems fine.
Where are you going?
Oh, hey. I'm just taking out the trash right now. Huh.
Sorry, neighbor. It's just quite rainy. I got some Apple Jacks. Gigantic burrito. Check it out. Culver's. Monday. That's not good. But I got a cheeseburger. That's happy day. You might have kicked me out of your house. But do you have stover spaghetti?
It's just a fork! A fork! Oh. Sorry I dirty up your screen. I have to just take this garbage out to the curb because tonight's garbage night. Also, it's only Tuesday. Can it just be Friday?
Today, I'm going to try Warheads. Sour, super sour spray candy. Chocolate milk. This is a big jug too.
Check it out. Fairlife chocolate milk. I'm gonna try it for the first time ever.
Burger King review. They put Burger King foot lettuce in my Burger King burger. Hopefully I don't. Hi, is this where we park? Is this where we park?
Let's go, Detroit Tigers, baby! Detroit Tigers baseball!
You won't believe what I just stole from your mailbox. An apple. Ha ha ha!
Hi, I'm just on a hoverboard right now, that's why. Look, doesn't it look cool?
I got a bucket of Jollibee fried chicken. Doesn't it look delicious? Just using the back scratcher right here. It looks like it. Open up. Open up. Oh, Dairy Queen. I got some Dairy Queen for you. Oh, hey. I will split this chocolate bar in half if you let me in. It's caramel. Izzy. Do you want an Izzy? Yummy McDonald's cheeseburger. What?
You want a Karen to come to my house? No, that cannot happen! I hate Karens! Although, I did hear that they might be coming later tonight. Now you get what you want, I guess. Sneak peek, by the way, of the next video.
Hey, Karen, what are you doing? Put that back. It's on my property.
You know what? I'm not gonna let you disrespect me. Shut up! And do not call me a Karen. My name is not Karen. And also,
Get off!
you shouldn't be leaving your package on
Shut
the
up!
step for freaking a day. Take it in.
Bro, I just got home from work all day.
Oh, you need money? I just married a rich husband, and I got all the money for my life. Then I just divorced him, and now he lost all his money while I'm living like it. With all that money.
So not only are you Karen, you're a horrible person, and you're a gold digger, and you're also being a porch pirate.
Oh, so you're saying being smart is bad? Probably the reason why you're stupid. You know what? Have it packed down.
Yeah, get off my porch and never return, you psychopath. Ha ha ha! Now get your fat ass off my porch. Stupid, karma's a bitch. Wait, hold on. That's not your hair. Oh my god, you're a faker. You're a porch pirate. You're not
I will
Karen.
return. Not one, but 2 burritos from Taco Bell. Let me
Check it out, neighbor. Look at all the candy I have. Toxic waste, eyeballs, or a miss.
I got some Chick-fil-A right now. Because for a chicken and smiles kind of day. That's what today is, because I got Chick-fil-A. I got a bedtime story to read you. Are you listening? Once upon a time. Hey, I hope you're enjoying the compilation right now. Wait, I'm wasting your time. Let's get back to it. Well, hi there. Do you like the new shoes? Well, hi there. Do you like the new shoes? Hey, you know the big bro has to get fast food all day. I got some Panda Express.
What's up? I got so many things from the convenience store. Fago! Hey, I've got quite a lot of food from Taco Bell right now. Oh, we got a Lux Box, 2 bean burritos, and
Doggy? Not 1, not 2, but 3 Taco Bell tacos. They're all cheesy. And I got it all in a Lux box. Yummy. Hot sauce too. Do you have games on your phone? So, Internet, which candy would you rather try? Warheads, mini extreme sours, or candy foam? I think I'm gonna try creamy candy foam. Check this out. Sour smog balls. Wow, these look so delicious. Hey, you left your keys. I get to keep them now, finders keepers. I got a Takis hat. Trash night. I'm taking out the trash, it's fine. Chocolate milk has protein in it.
Flaming hot mac and cheese. Oh,
Bro really thought he lived here.
What do you need?
Hey, please let me in. I live here. I just moved in.
No, you don't. Get off the
Wait, what
step.
are you talking about, man? I just moved in. It's
Get
raining
off.
and I want to get in.
You want to get in, but you don't live here.
Please.
No, get your fat body off my porch. What are you doing? Wow, man, that hurts super bad.
So, apparently, I can see you through the screen. And you must have stolen someone's chin. 'Cause why do you have two? Hey, since you guys like the Takis hat so much, KFC hat! Even better. Look! Warheads! Sour watermelon squeeze candy. Let's try this out. Check it out! Jelly sticks! Yummy! Let them doubt. Let them talk while they waste your time while you're building something. Then you succeed, and they just call it luck. Check it out, a bow tie. Toxic waste sour candy. Every step you take brings you closer and closer to your goal. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Also, look, it's a random shoe. Every step you take brings you closer and closer to your goal. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Also, look, it's a random shoe. Hey, so I just broke up with my girlfriend. She said she was at Five Guys, or she was like at Five Guys. So I broke up with her because I didn't know what that meant. Then I saw this on my desk. She was at the restaurant. She wasn't with Five Guys. She was at Five Guys. I came back with the milk. Hey, happy Memorial Day. Today, I'm going to eat some warheads. Hey, you ordered some pizza. That's good and all, but here's the catch. You won't get to have any pizza because I ate it all. Hey, want to see something cool? My tongue is literally black from eating warheads. Guys, check it out. Lemon warheads soda. If I see a Panthers vs. Oilers Stanley Cup rematch, I will crash out. I'm having a warhead soda at 6 a.m. Everything's wrong with me. Guys, check this out. I got a Mr. Beast Feastables bar. Let's feast on this. Spring weather. Rain. Hey, if you want to know what the best flavor of Dairy Queen, it's definitely cotton candy. What's up? I'm here. I did eat one of your burritos from your lunchbox. So this is order 5-1 for you. Here, answer the door. Would you like to see my hat collection?
Your pizza's here. I got you Little Caesar's pizza.
Do you eat sand? This dude Endless memes asks, who's going to be the 2025 World Series champion? The World Series will be between the New York Mets and the Detroit Tigers. The series will go to Game 7, and the Detroit Tigers will take it home. Let's go Tigers! Let's go Tigers! Yo, so with it being Pacers versus Oklahoma City NBA Finals, I will take Oklahoma City in 7 games to win their first title!